Hello, my friend. I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Foshan AUTOMPACK Machinery. And today, I'm going to test 950 grams rice on this vertical packing machine. The model number of this machine is ATM 320C, economical, multifunctional, and easy to operate. Okay, let me run this machine to show you how it works. It is our touch screen. Let's choose English. Let's start the machine. Okay, let's stop the machine. So let's check the finished bag. Any sealing of the bag. Vertical sealing of the bag. Here is printing result. Any sealing of the bag and vertical sealing of the bag. Printing information. So you have any customized packaging solution, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. Bye.